Hey, neighbor. You excited?
Nervous? We're about to be replaced.
Yeah, but it'll be so worth it. I chose a personalized Conformis knee implant, individually made for my unique shape and structure.
Wait. Nobody told me I had a choice. My surgeon just picked the closest sized implant off a shelf.
Well, I'm sure there are ways to make that kind fit.
What was that?
Thinking about a knee replacement? See how Conformis, the only knee replacement personalized to fit your unique anatomy, could be a life changer. Call or visit us online today. For too long, knee implants have been mass-produced and limited in size and shape. When they don't fit precisely, you can experience pain and complications.
Well, good luck.
Luck? I need a second opinion.
At Conformis, we understand no two knees are the same. That's why we'll design a knee replacement to fit you and only you. Using the latest scan technology, we calculate the size, shape, and curvature of your knee. Then, turn that data into a one-of-a-kind implant. The goal is a shorter hospital stay, faster rehab, and greater confidence.
Yeah, feeling good.
Almost there. Almost there.
So call now. We can schedule a surgeon consultation or simply tell you more about Conformis. Like how patients with both our implant in one knee and an off-the-shelf implant in the other prefer their Conformis knee 10 times as often. It's all about giving you restored mobility and natural motion so you can get back to what you love.
Hey, how's it going? You up for some pickleball?
No, I think I'll sit a little longer.
All right. See you later.
And imagine life with a Conformis knee.
You have a choice in knee replacements, so make it a Conformis personalized knee implant. Call or visit us online to find a licensed orthopedic surgeon using Conformis in your area.